I really need scissors.
Why do you need scissors?
Open it!
Let me see, what do you need to open?
You're recording me, aren't you?
Hey guys, can you take a wild guess on what he needs to open? If you couldn't see that. Oh baby, you look so sad. I hate when you look so sad. Come here, let me do it. I don't have scissors, but I have a butcher knife. I can do that. I can do it with a butcher knife. Honey, let me do it. Did you just throw your trash on the floor? Frustration leads to filthy habits. I love you.